Yeah, sup bros, did you miss me? Of course you didn't. I've got to be playing some freaking Minecraft. You said I hate this game, but now I love it. Hoping my laptop doesn't fall off. Thank God I've got it on. Me and my friends, at Fried, have actually been pretty busy. We made a giant Enderman holding a Pokeball and a hat, because we were feeling really awkward. And we've actually made a giant Pikachu, which we thought was really cool. And we built a house, and I'm just going to go run you through it. While I'm here, I've got 3 chests. They've all got enchantment potions in. And you go down here. Sorry that the video is so laggy. We've got my room in here, with all diamonds in. A water bin, my bed, and my lava bin. That's my mate, being an elf. We've got my mate's room there. We've got a toilet there. We've got a spare room there. We got my other mate's room. We got that Fry's room. And you can't enter in here without giving bacon. I obviously give him a lifetime of bacon. And yeah, that is all, to be honest. Sorry that I don't really upload videos that much lately, but it's because I'm always busy doing creations on Minecraft for you guys. So, I'd like to finish this video with me jumping off this Pokemon hat. 3, 2, 1, go!